if you are wondering that why you can't download apps from App Store, you have found the right video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that why you are not able to download apps from App Store on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first thing that you can do that may be preventing you from downloading apps from App Store is to go to the settings and then head over to the screen time right here. Now, there is an option in screen time that may be preventing you from downloading the apps. You'll have to click on content and privacy restrictions and then click on iTunes and App Store purchases and then click on installing apps on the top and make sure that this is allowed. Now, if this is fine, the second thing you can do is to head over to the Safari and search for speed test and then click on go, and it will test the speed of your internet. Okay, let's go back and search for its speed test. Continue on the web and click on go. Now it will basically check the internet speed of your Wi-Fi or data connection or whatever you are using. So uh, anything around 5 or more than 5 mbs per second is fine, and if it is less than 5 mbs per second, you need to upgrade your internet or you have to do something with your internet. Everything is fine. So I hope you have found the video helpful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.